boy loves me. He watches the weather for where I'm at. Oh, it's getting smaller.
That's scary. There's got to be someone's house or something. Farm.
I'd rather it be the farm than the house.
I don't know. You can rebuild a house, but a farm's pretty big deal. I don't know.
I'm talking about corn.
Well, yeah, I'm
I'd
talking
rather
about
lose corn
talking
than my
about
house.
outbuildings and equipment and
Oh,
grain bins and
Holy cow. That is crazy.
how many years ago was it that one went in over there?
Kind of dissipated, isn't it? That's getting rain wrapped. No, there it's frightening her. There's still good funnel there. There is. I didn't realize it. Holy cow. Get your butt out there and save some people. Might as well just keep going that way. I'm sure they're gonna need someone. Yeah, it's like